So let's ask the big question. Was that just a comfort food, a tradition passed down, or was Grandma basically a secret scientist who knew exactly what she was doing with those ingredients?
Well, it turns out she was onto something big, and the unsung hero in that classic soup, it's the humble leek. It's the milder, gentler cousin in that powerhouse onion and garlic family.
So, what is actually inside a leek that makes it so special? Well, first off, it's part of that allium family, so it's loaded with powerful sulfur compounds. Then you've got flavonoids, polyphenols, antioxidants fighting for you. Plus, there's fiber for your gut health and a nice little boost of vitamins A, C, and K. It's this amazing cocktail of compounds that really does the heavy lifting.
Okay, so how does this simple vegetable actually help you fight off a cold? This is where that old school passed down wisdom gets a huge high five from modern science. It really comes down to these guys, natural killer cells. You can think of them as your immune system's first responders. The elite squad whose only job is to hunt down and take out viruses and other threats before they get a foothold. Now, here's the really cool part. While we're still waiting on more direct studies for leeks, the evidence from their family is overwhelming. We have solid proof that aged garlic extract boosts NK cell activity. We know for a fact that onion and Welsh onion extracts ramp up their function. And since leeks share those very same core compounds, it's a pretty safe bet they give your body that same immune-boosting kick. Yep, Grandma knew exactly what she was putting in that soup. But the magic of leeks doesn't just disappear when your sniffles do. Let's look beyond the soup bowl, because science has uncovered that leeks are a true powerhouse for your long-term health too. And wow, just look at the range of benefits here. We're talking about everything from heart health and gut health to weight management and even cancer prevention. It's a whole spectrum of good stuff. Let's break that down a bit. For your heart, leeks can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, and they also fight chronic inflammation. For your gut, they act as a prebiotic, which basically means they're food for all the good bacteria in there. And on top of all that, they're low in calories but high in fiber, so they help you feel full, which is fantastic for weight management. But the cancer connection might be the most incredible part of the story. You see, major studies have found that a higher intake of these Allium vegetables is consistently linked to a lower risk of developing certain cancers. And this isn't a small finding. It's something researchers are seeing again and again. And they've even pinpointed where the link seems to be the strongest, with stomach, colorectal, prostate, and esophageal cancers. And just to be clear, this isn't based on one single study. A meta-analysis, which is like a study of other studies, looked at more than a dozen different trials and confirmed that powerful link for colorectal cancer specifically. That is a massive scientific endorsement. So, this brings us full circle, doesn't it? It's about how generations of folk wisdom, that stuff that feels like it's just in our DNA, is finally being proven right by science. Grandma was right all along. She knew her stuff. It's really such a beautiful process when you think about it. It starts with a tradition, putting leeks in a healing soup. Then science comes in and identifies what makes them work. After that, studies confirm all these amazing benefits for our immune system, our heart, everything. And just like that, the tradition is validated. What was once instinct is now hard evidence. So it leaves us with something to think about, doesn't it? What other little pieces of old wisdom, those things our own grandmas taught us, are really just science that we haven't quite caught up to yet?